Welcome back to my channel, Cat Eye Glamour, our little hangout where we can be the most glamorous versions of ourselves. And today, girl, I have a matte liquid lipstick try on haul for you. And these lipsticks are from LIMECRIME. I did take advantage of their Valentine's Day sale. I hope you did too, because it was 50% off their reds and their pinks. All right, so this is the box. We're getting right into it. This is the box that they were shipped in. And when you open up the box, look how cute. Isn't that so cute? I feel like ColourPop needs to take notes. Like, I'm tired of that white envelope. Can I get a box? A cute box? Please? So these are the 5 that I got, which are Pink Velvet, Sasha, Rustic, Beet, and Riot. So I'm going to go ahead and try on these for you. We're going to get right into it. Before we get into the trying on lipsticks, my lips are, I exfoliate pretty often, so that's a step that you don't want to skip when wearing liquid lipsticks, because this will not apply well to a very dry or chapped lip. So definitely exfoliate that. You can do your own at-home exfoliation setup. You know what I mean? I use sugar and I use coconut oil. And I just scrub my lips and I eat it after because it tastes great. Okay, so don't skip that step. Give these lipsticks a chance, okay? Make sure your lips are prepped and ready for the lipstick, okay? I am going to line my lips with my favorite brown lip liner, which is from Jordana. It's called Coco Loco. So just keep that in mind when you see me trying these on. I'm always gonna have the brown lip liner on first, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead and put that on. And I really love Jordana's lip liners, and I really love their eyeliners, and they're super cheap. You can get them in Walgreens. They're retractable, because who really wants to sharpen pencils? I don't. They go on very smooth. All right, and she's ready. I'm gonna go ahead and start trying on these lipsticks for you in 5, 4, 3. I'm done trying on all those liquid lipsticks, and you can probably tell from the video how I feel about them, which is love. I absolutely love LIMECRIME's liquid lipsticks. Their formulas are genius. It's the thinnest, you know, liquid lipstick that I've ever used, and it grabs and stays on the lips perfectly, and it's comfortable, and it applies smoothly, okay? It is the bomb, and I'm so happy that I purchased it when it was 50% off. Each one of these liquid lipsticks costs, normal rate is $20 per lipstick, and I got them for 50% off for the pinks and the reds, okay? I love their liquid lipsticks. When I tell you I love them, I love them. I've brought liquid lipsticks from them before, and those are the only 2 lip products that I've actually finished. Now, mind you, I am a makeup artist, so I have tons of products, okay? And you know, lip products, it takes a long time for me to finish because I have so many choices, but those 2 things that I got from LIMECRIME in the past, to the bottom, I actually had to throw them away. So on my lip now, I have on Pink Velvet, which was, of course, the hot pink color. This is my favorite. Now, in the tube, it does come off very intimidating. I mean, it's a bright freaking pink, but it dried down so pretty. It just gives me Barbie vibes, you know what I mean? So it's my favorite one. Also, the ones that I had at the beginning, those reddish brownie, like brick colors, they're called Riot and Rustic, which they're very similar. I feel like if you have one, you have the other. You know what I mean? Like if you have this one, you can add like a more pale color to it to make it kind of look like this, but they're very similar. So if you have one, you have the other. You don't necessarily need both. But I love these colors too. They look great on deep skin tones. It's more of a like on a deeper nudie side if you're like a darker complexion. But I love them. Love them. And Beet It was great. I don't know. All of them were great. Sasha was pretty, which was the nudie color that I had. I love them all. Y'all go buy all of them. Try to get a sale, okay? Because it's $20 per lipstick. I got it for 50% off, which is fantastic. And I'm so happy. And I love these lipsticks. But yeah, I think I'm in love, guys. I'm in love. This is my favorite. This is my summer lipstick. Pink Velvet, all summer 2020. Okay? All summer 2020. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I just thought about one of my friends. Her name is Yolette. I feel like she's probably in the process of buying this lipstick right now as she watches this video. If I know her, I know she's buying this immediately. Okay, girl, I had so much fun doing this video. Let me know in the comments if you like lip videos. Let me know what you like. Talk to me. We're friends. We're gang. You know, let me know what's up. Don't forget to tell your cousin about this page. Don't forget to tell your bestie about my channel. Don't forget to tell that girl that you don't like at work, because she needs to know. And, you know, thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video, taking time to watch me do what I love to do. I'm very new to YouTube, so I don't know where this is going to go, but I do know this is passion all over me. So I just appreciate anyone that takes the time, anyone that subscribed, any little comment, any like. I really appreciate it. And I need for you guys to come back and bring your gang with you, okay? Again, thank you. And please come back and subscribe.